What's up, guys? This is Jake, and today we're taking a look at the FEZIBO Standing Desk. Now, I've had this for about 3 years. If I remember correctly, I believe this is, I know it's the max size, I believe that's 63 inches, and I have loved this standing desk. Again, I've had it for about 3 years. Let's see if you can get a good look at it. It's super simple up here on the top, right? I mean, you can see this right here. You've got the options for a couple holes, one here in the back, and then a second one right back there. Sorry, it's kind of a weird spot to get to, but there's a second one right back there. And then you have these two legs coming down. And you have got, which I love, you've got your wheels here on the bottom that do have the ability to be locked. Now, one thing I'll say is the setup for this, to actually put it together, was crazy easy. I'm one of those people who are really bad about setting things up, and I found I just didn't have much problem. The instructions were very straightforward, and hadn't had any issue with it. This is the desk that I use pretty much every afternoon. Usually I'm at another sitting desk in the morning and this one in the afternoon when my energy gets a little bit lower, but I have really, really liked it. So we'll come over here and take a look at where you're going to actually adjust how tall the desk is going to be. So you push anything. Hopefully you can see that. It looks like it might be bugging a little bit. It looks fine for me, but hopefully you can see it okay through the camera. This is going to be, so I see 38 right here, and it says exactly how tall it is. If I hold this down, it goes up 39, 40, 41, 42, and if I hold down, it goes down the other direction. You then also have the ability with these numbers to hold one of these down and do whatever your set number is. You see, I just pushed it and it went to 37.8, which is my preference. But if I were to hold down 2, it would set number 2 for 37.8. Also want to point out, let me get this back here. There is, you can see kind of the bottom side where the cables are coming down. There is also this little hook that comes down that you can use to hang anything you need. Yes, this is a weird way I have this set up, but it works. There is also in the back this little piece you can attach, so if you want to put anything there, you can. So if you're looking for a really good standing desk, I highly recommend this one. Again, I've used it for, I believe it's right at 3 years, never had an issue with it. It's held sturdy for a while now, and I am a really, really big fan.